on this problem, they actually give you the statement in symbolic form, and they want you to pick out the correct choice. So, we are going to rewrite the statement, the negation of P, and then that is the symbol of OR, and then Q. So remember, when you have a negation, you're saying that something is not what it is. And P here is the hat is black. So we're looking for the hat is not black. Choice A has an if-then in it, but there is no if-then symbol, right? They've got the if and the then. That would be this symbol. It's not there, so it's not A. And then B just says the hat is black, so it can't be that one. But C and D both say the hat is not black. The hat is not black, which is what the symbolism of negation of P is. And then you go to this symbol here, which is the OR symbol. And C has an and, this one has an OR. And then it says the scarf is tan. That's what Q is. The scarf is tan. So, because of the and here, it can't be C. And by the process of elimination, we get D. Hope that made sense. Moving to the next one. Okay, this one's got 3 statements, P, Q, and R. And we want to write it in symbolic form. And the first thing that I notice is this arrow right here. And that is an if-then. Now, when I look at all my choices, if blah blah, then yada yada yada. If blah blah blah, then yada yada yada. If blah blah blah, then yada yada yada. If, and then it would be implied if blah 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 blah, then right here blah blah blah. So they all have an if then in there, so that's not helping me whatsoever. But the R is in front of the arrow, so your sentences should start with if I eat bananas. And actually, I just saw on the bottom one, I highlighted it wrong. If I eat bananas, then the taxes are high. Okay, sorry about that. Go back to if I eat bananas. So A has an I eat bananas, and so does D. But B and C talk about the radial tires, so it can't be B, can't be C. And then the next thing I see is Q. So after the word then, you'll have the taxes are high. After the word then, the taxes are high. The taxes are high. Okay. Then the next thing I see is this symbol. That is an OR symbol. Or you know, some days. Oy vey. This is the one I was supposed to be highlighting. The taxes are high. I don't know why I did this one. I had already eliminated that one. Come on, April. Wake up. Okay. So they're both the same there. The taxes are high. They both have an OR. But then we have a negation of P. And P is the radial tires are included. So we're looking for the radial tires are not included. D just says the radial tires are included. A says the radial tires are not included. That is the one that has the big not on it. And so A is our choice. That was fun. I'll do this one in a separate video.